All right, Victoria, thank you for helping me with this problem. Here we want to complete the table, complete our first and second difference, and then decide if the function is going to be linear or quadratic. What is the first thing I'm going to do here?
You're going to put your equation in y equals
All right, so I'm going to go to my calculator, and what do I have to type first?
negative 3x plus 9,
But before I type that, which button do I have to press first on my calculator?
y equals
Y equal. Okay, and then what am I typing?
negative 3x plus 9.
Plus 9. Okay, and then what do I do next?
You press second graph,
Hmm.
and you see the 1. Then you got to fill in the chart.
All right, so I have my x and y values. I'm going to look at that, fill in my chart. All right, could you share the numbers with me? When x is 1, what's the value for y?
6.
Okay,
Then 2 is 3. 3 is 0. 4 is negative 3. 5 is negative 6.
all right, thank you. How do I do my first difference now? What do I do?
3 subtract 6.
All right, so I'm taking my second number and subtracting it from the 1 at the top. And what's my answer there?
Negative 3.
So I have a negative 3.
Then you do 0 subtract 3 is negative 3.
Okay, so I have a negative 3 again.
Then negative 3 subtract 0 is negative 3 again.
Good.
Negative 6 subtract negative 3 is negative 3.
All right, so my first differences are all negative 3. How do I find my second difference?
Negative 3 subtract negative 3 is 0.
All right,
Then you do negative 3 subtract negative 3 again and 0. Then negative 3 and negative 3 again and 0.
so what does this tell me?
That the second difference is a linear.
The second differences are all
0.
so my function is
Linear.
How would my function be quadratic? How do I know it's quadratic? What do I have to see for my second difference?
If it's not 0, then it's quadratic.
All right, excellent. Thank you so much.